Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload videos inside your Remini app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is open up the Remini app on your mobile device. Now you'll be brought to the main page of Remini here. And now to upload a video or to choose a video, go ahead and click on videos and all your videos should appear here. If not, go ahead and click on albums and find your album where that video is located. But luckily enough, my video is at the front here, so I can just click on this video. And then from here, you want to click on enhance. So now it's going to upload the video, but you got to make sure your videos, they can't be any larger than 60 megabytes. Then try again. So I'm going to click on OK, got it. I'm going to click out. And now I'm going to choose videos again. Now I'm going to click on albums and I'm going to manually find a smaller video. All right, so I'm inside my albums. Now I want to click on downloads. And now here we go. There's a smaller video here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on enhance. And now, because this video is under 60 megabytes in size, it's going to upload the video and it's going to let me edit or enhance this video once the video has finished uploading.